magalaw guys, yung kamay ko. Yan. Walking muna ako guys. Pangit yung ang dami nagra-run. Di ako makaran kasi hinihingal ako, baka mabigla yung sarili ko. Pawis na ako. Yun. Mag-video na lang ako dito sa dinadaanan ko. Wala, yung paa ko parang namumulikat. Yan. Yan guys ang river. Yan ang around the river. Dito. Dito ako walking hanggang doon sa dulo. Sa dulo-dulo doon sa Tangling. Yan yung mga buildings. Pag ganito na hapon, pag gabi, may mga nagwo-walking marami. So shout out. Dito kami nung nag-TikTok ni Jet. Ayan. Yan guys. Ang surrounding dito. Ito yung riverside, yung tubig na inaano. Ayan guys. Doon sa kabila rin. Ayan. Yan yung bagong building na ginagawa nila. So, yan. Doon ako galing. Hinihingal na ako. At buti na lang may tubig akong dala. So, ayan, baybayin natin hanggang doon sa dulo. Pupunta ako doon sa machine. Pero hindi ko dala yung tripod ko kasi may bit-bit rin ako na water. Hindi ko madala lahat. Nihingal na ako. Ay, ang cute ng aso. Ang liit. Ang liit ng aso. Ang cute. Pero parang parang mamamatay na. Ayan, ang cute ng mga aso. Yan guys. Tumagilid yung mga katulong na nakita nila ako na nagbibideo. Tumagilid sila. Inilihis ko rin pa si nakakahiya naman. Walking lang muna ako. Sanayin ko muna yung paa ko. Kasi baka mabigla. At punta ako dun sa machine. Diyan dati nakatira si Jet. Tangling building dyan sa condo. Hala, hindi ako nakapagdala ng towel ko. Ayun, may sasakyan. Yan. Saka ko lang naman inuntong camera ko nung nandito na ako sa gitna. Magpo 4 minutes na ako na naglalakad na nag-video. Pero yung paglabas ko sa bahay hanggang dito sa gitna, hindi ko yun nabinidyohan. Basa na ako ng pawis. Hindi ko nadala yung towel ko. Teko. Pag hindi siya uulan bukas ng umaga, mag-walking ulit ako para masanay ulit yung legs ko. Hindi mo na ako makatakbo kasi baka sumakit yung paa. Nihingal ako. So yan guys. Yan. Ang binabaybay ko. Makakabalik na ako nito gabi na. 6 something ako bumaba kanina. Ang ganda ng view ng mga halaman, guys. Ang tataas. Yan oh. Taas. Ang taas ng tree. Ang taas ng tree na mga yan. Yan oh. Ang tataas, guys. Yan oh. Oh! Ang taas. Yan oh. Yan oh. Pinagtitinginan ako na pinagbibidyohan ko tong mga kahoy. Ang taas. Nahanuan na yung building. Taas ng kahoy. Yan. Didiretso ako. Guys. Yan. Tatawid ako doon sa may mga fish pond, mga turtle. Yan oh. Nakalayo na kaya ako. May ginawa na pala dito bagong building. Ayan. Eto may bagong building na pala nagagawin na saraduhan na. Titingin nga ako kung may turtle dito. Tignan ko nga kung nandito yung mga turtle. Ay. Ayan yung mga isda. Ayan oh. Ayan ang mga isda. Pero wala yung mga turtle. Ay, andyan yata sila. Andyan sila. Ayan o yung mga pag-ong. Wala naman sila pagkain. Sana wag mahulog tong cellphone ko. Ayan yung mga pag-ong guys. Kung may magpipid lang sana, ang dami nila dyan. Ayan o. Yan o yung mga pag-ong. Ay wag kang mahulog na cellphone. Sana walang tumisod sa akin. Yan o yung mga pag-ong guys, ang dami. Tapos mix sila yung with yung mga isda na maliliit. Ayan o. Huwag ka mahulog na cellphone, napawis na ako. Hinihingal ako. Ayan o. Wala naman kayong pagkain. No? Ang dami yung isda na maliliit guys. So nakikita nyo. Kaya lang, yung water kasi blurred. Hindi siya malinaw. Kaya, hindi masyado halata na makita oh. Ayan. Dati nung may nagpakain, ang dami nila na nabidyohan ko noon itong mga to eh. Muntik ko nang bitawan tong tubig ko, nakakainis. Ayan na sila oh. Ayan oh, pumupunta sila dito sa akin. Yan guys oh. Ayan oh. You know. Yan. Hi. Hi, wala naman pagkain, sorry. Don't have food because they not allowed to feed you, I think. Di ko alam kung allow na ipid kayo ng mga food. Yan o yung mga isda, may orange. Guys, oh, dami. Ayan yung mga liliit na isda. Nanghihingi sila ng pagkain, wala naman akong dala na tinapay. Kung alam ko lang na open na dito na hindi na maraming halaman kasi noon nakakatakot. Kasi may mga bayawak rin dito na malalaki kaya. Ayan oh. Hi! Wait lang guys, kukuha ako ng pang short video ko. Bye-bye! Walking ulit ako guys, mga pag-ong. Thank you. Ayan na. Ayan yung iba oh. Andun sila sa malayo yung iba. Ayan guys oh. Bilog dito eh. Yun. Punta na ulit. Ako. Tignan ko nga kung marami dito. Wala bang ahas? Yan. Yan, kukunti lang dito. Nandun sila sa Nandun sila sa pinag-anuhan ko, pero may upuan doon. Ayun oh. May upuan doon. Ang sarap sana mag-TikTok doon kung may kasama ako. Hindi naman ako TikToker. Ito rin yung kabila. Dito rin maraming tatambay pag day off guys, yung mga katulong. So nakalayo na po ako. And meron pa rin dito isda. Ay ayun, ang dami nila. Ayan ang mga isda, tilapia na maliliit. Ang dami. Ayan guys, pero hulog ng cellphone. Ayan oh, ang dami nilang isda na tilapia. Ayan. Maliliit pa sila. Tapos may isang pagong. Uy, ang dami nilang pumunta sa akin, oh. Pero wala akong food, guys. Sorry. I think they're not allow you to feed. Somebody will feeding you. I think. Kasi may camera dito. Ayun yung puti, oh. May puti doon, oh, na isda. Tok, 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 tok. Ayan, halina. Nakikita nyo, guys. Ang dami, oh. Ang dami, oh. Oh. Tilapia yung mga yan. Yung isa nag-iisang pag-ong. Oh. Bakit nahihiwalay ka sa marami doon? Ay, meron din doon isa. Pera, hulog. Ayan. Wag mo akong gulatin na ibon, baka mahulog ko sa tubig tong cellphone ko. Ayun, marami din doon. Marami din doon. Kaya lang, hindi masyado kita. Ito lang ang kita. Yan, guys. Yan. Yan. Hi! Fishy, fishy, fishy. Tagaktak ng pawis ko. Basang-basa na yung likod ko. Sige lang. Makapag-video lang ako. So yan guys. Ayan. Dito. Sa pinag-exercisean ko. Sinadya kong bumaba ng medyo hindi pa madilim para makapag-video ako guys. So, ayan. Ayan. Huh? Pinampunas ko na ng pawis yung damit ko. Yan o. Taas na na. Kung ano-anong pinagkukuhanan ko guys. Doon ako galing. Tapos, nagpunta pa ako dito sa park. Ayan. Ayan guys. At pupunta ako doon sa may exercisean, walang tao. Walang tao sa may exercisean. Kasi nagraran yung mga tao. Video muna ako. Saka ako pupunta doon. Hindi ko nakuha talaga ng ko. Towel ko po. Masit. Shout out guys. Ayan ang ingay ko. Yan guys. Oh, yung mga tree. Ganito kaganda dito sa Singapore guys. Ayan oh. Kung saan-saan na yung ako binibidyohan ko. Yung mga trees. Oh. At may water na naman doon. Yan. Diyan ako. Ay, maraming nag-exercise doon sa taas. Ayan guys. Oh. Water yan na Huwag ako matisod kasi baka maano ako. Yan Water yan. Yan Diyan ako galing. So, ayan. Baka humano ako dito sa tubig, mabasa ako sa kabibidyo ko. Yan. Di ba ang ganda? Tapos pag uwi ko, hindi na ako magbibideo kasi madilim na. Yan guys, yung water. building dyan sa Queenstown na yan guys. Pag tumawid ka, Queenstown. So, bababa ako dun sa pinag-exercise ko na machine. Ala, si Uncle, buhay pa. Ay, andyan si Uncle. Nakita ko yung kasama ko na nag-exercise ng madaling araw. Ay, akala ko wala na siya. Ang sama-sama ko. Pupunta siya dun. O, yan yung si Uncle na yan, oh. Kasama ko ng madaling araw na nag-exercise yan dun sa machine. Ay, I don't know if he still remember me, guys, kasi matagal na hindi kami nagsama sa pag-exercise diyan. Kasi matagal na nga akong hindi nag-exercise ng madaling araw. And na-aksidente siya eh. Ay, uuwi na yata kasi kinuha na niya yung e-bike niya. Nag-walking siya. So, uuwi na kasi kinuha na niya yung e-bike niya. Oh, ayan oh. Naka-e-bike siya. Madaling araw yan na nag-e-exercise. Naka-e-bike na siya. Dati yan ano, oh may tao. Ayun, dun sa exercisean. Dati rin nakakilala ko. Hi! Hindi na niya ako makilala. Tumango lang siya. May e-bike na siya. Uwi na siya sa may ano yan. Red Hills. So, dito na ako guys. Sa may machine. Ay sa mga exercisean. Ayan o, ang galing si auntie. Pero, hindi ko mabidyuhan ang sarili ko. Dito lang ako magpapawis guys. Ayan. Doon ako sa ano. Ayan si auntie oh. Dito ako sa ay ano ko muna yung water ko. Ibaba ko yung water ko. So ayan. Dito ako sa my legs. Leg exercise. O di ba? Para ma-exercise yung legs ko. Ay hindi patayin ko na guys kasi hindi niyo naman makikita. Pagod na ako. Meron akong videographer. Natagpuan ko ang uncle dito. Yung kaibigan ko na Chinese. So open my leg. Pagod na ako. 6, 7, Uncle, I cannot read. Three. Cannot balance. Dark already, guys. Gabi na. And I meet my uncle every time we see early morning and night time when I come and walking and jogging. So he is the one to take photo for me there in the machine. Ayan, guys. So haggard. Yan ang in front ang makikita nyo kasi I don't want to show my face. So sweating. Ayan. Dito naman ako sa isang side ngayon na nag-walk. Kanina doon sa kabila. Ngayon ay dito sa kabila. Ayan. Diyan ako kanina. But now, I'm here. The other side. Ano yan? Paro-paro.
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 Say uncle to my vlog. Uncle! Say hi.
Hi.
Peace. We're going home to the Philippines. Siya yung ano, lagi kong kasama noon. Kasama namin nila Edit, nila Jet. Tinuturuan niya kami kung paano mag-exercise in properly sa machine. Aray ko. Hingal talaga ako to the bone. Ay, ang sakit ng mga buto-buto ko. Siguro ano, hindi ako makakabangon nito bukas. Yan siya. Siya yung bibidyohan ko. Oh. The bag drop. Yan. Daming ano. Kakapagod. So you from just now you come out to your house, uncle. You go further there. Then you come here. Oh. What time you come down?
6:30, 6:30.
Oh, I come down 6 o'clock.
Early than me.
Yeah.
Go back 7, 30 minutes.
Yeah. Huh?
30 minutes by exercise.
1 hour for me. I got 1 hour. No, it's not only 1 hour because when I reach home, maybe 7:30 or nearly 8 o'clock.
Go back 8:30.
You?
Go back 8:30.
Where you stay?
And you say opposite. So,
Oh, you talking to your friend there? Who is your friend there? Who is your friend?
all businessmen
Ah,
are coming now.
car. Stoplight. Yan guys ang mga buildings.
You saw Ate?
No.
Now
Nah.
Ate very skinny.
Yeah.
Never take meat or take veggie.
All take veggie and never eat rice.
No right.
Yeah, that's why so skinny. They become so older.
No, you look very nice looking.
Yeah.
Very nice looking.
Last time when she got starting to diet, oh my God. I'm very surprised. She very skinny and like very ugly the face.
No. Please
But
see.
now, safe already. Because I think more than 2 years already that she doing diet.
Mhm.
And Her is not problem the food, uncle. Because the employer also eat diet things. So what the employer eat,
You follow.
he follow. So that's why she very healthy.
No sickness, no everything.
Yeah. Me, I have a lot sickness.
Mm.
Oh my God, so many. Yan. Group. Ayan. Ang dami nila. Nabidyohan ko. Oh, di ba guys? Dito ang jaggingan. Pag ganitong oras, ang daming nag-exercise.
You talk with Sandra.
Hmm?
Where's the girl? Sandra, is it?
What's on Dora?
Dora, is it?
Still there.
No.
I always see when early morning go to the NTUC.
And one Philippine girl.
One Philippine girl also.
Yeah.
Yeah, I never talk to her. I told you already, uncle.
Mm.
Once is for my friendship. And she talk gossip to other people that I never do.
Don't talk
Get
about people back.
Yeah. Get
What he
lost.
do, huh?
Get lost of
He
me.
He do with somebody also. He pretend don't know.
Yeah.
It is your fault.
I go back only in Philippines. I come back. So many
problem.
talk already to my friend that make me story. And then I go and tell straight away to her. Then someone she laughing. Say,
You don't talk about other people fault. Talk your own self.
so
Don't-
shame.
Shameful. Very shameful.
Very shameful, really. I'm very good to her. I share food to her. If she want to like that, you know already about that money.
No good.
I'm very good to her. I tell you already, uncle, before. I'm a very good friend. But once you talk about my backside,
Hmm.
get lost. Yeah, how many time we see in NTUC, even here walking. He keep looking at me. I don't want to see her face.
You don't talk about people thing. You talk about your own self.
Yeah.
Ah.
Is it very good to you, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Then when you're together with her, she talk
Mm.
about me?
No.
No?
Never. But I tell you the truth, Dora like me a lot. I tell you the truth.
She like you?
Yeah, I know.
And did you tackle her?
No. I tell you the truth. I know.
Why? How you know that she like you?
I know.
Why? Can you tell me? I'm Marites.
Ah,
Yeah, because last time you always together, right?
yeah.
I walk that side and I see you together with here this side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Dora,
But now why you never together come?
because she like that, mouth like that.
Yeah, it's not good.
I don't like.
I don't like also her mouth. He's very talkative and it's okay if you talk you know what I mean? If you talk something
I don't.
really story. Don't make a story that not
No, say you don't make story. You don't talk about other people fault.
exactly.
You talk your own self. You talk your own problem. Don't talk
Yeah.
other people's problem.
She's like
Every
that.
day, you can call her what do. Like you and me.
Yeah,
go out,
I tell to Eddie to everything because we three of us last time together jogging.
Mm.
And
Hey, Eddie, very fed up of Dora, you know.
oh really? They are not in good term already now?
Now in good term. Last time not good term, you know.
Oh really?
Dora,
Because
Dora told me, you know.
Dora, what time she come here? Because my contact I edit. I never contacted anymore because my cell phone that I have the contact to her is died already. So my
Eddie-
contact to her no more already.
Eddie tell me that he said, I don't like. He tell me, say, I told her, I said, never mind, Eddie. All small matter, you don't put in your heart. Everyone is friend.
Yeah, she
Ah.
trying to fix me up and her last time. But
told-
I said I don't want it. I don't want.
I said,
It's very
everyone.
painful.
He
What
said,
she do to me?
then I told he said, yeah, he said, that's what Adi told me, you are, he said,
When she saw me in NTUC
so
uncle
many
in the
years,
morning,
so many
if he
years.
saw me there and my one friend,
Mm.
she
And,
straight go other side walking. He
ah,
don't want to facing to me.
yeah, don't face never mind, you happy lah. Why you angry? I don't angry, I may be happy, man. I don't talk with you also happy, what?
Yeah lah.
Correct, don't talk also very happy.
Yeah.
The more you talk, the more problem you got. Talk for an hour for your people.
She do one time already.
People say talk less,
Keep doing that.
talk less, do more work.
Exactly.
You talk less, do more work. Talk less friend, better.
But
Very good, I tell you, very good. Less friend, less
how
enemy.
you know? How you know that she like you?
I know. I know.
Hmm.
That's why I avoid her.
If you wanted to do something, you should have asked.
I avoid her for many times already.
Are you aboard already?
Ah,
Hmm. Because last time one only coming, not together with Edith.
ah.
Then few months I see with other girl. Same building with her.
I told Dora, if I want girl, I really I don't want.
But you have a wife what?
No more already.
No more already?
Ah,
Oh.
that's why I don't want. No.
One only your money lah. You're very smart. One only your money. I thought last time you together because you always together
I
come.
know.
I always see you the other side with her.
Mm.
So I think you're the one and her. And one time I got asked to edit if you together, sweetheart. Then I say, I don't know.
Eddie, we never thought with Eddie got problem a day. He said, he's Dora told me.
Oh, I didn't know that Edith and this girl, they
Dora.
not in good term.
No, in good term. Dora told me, and then I thought with Eddie. And
Oh.
later on, I said, we still all is a friend. Try to, take it more better. And then all is friend.
Mm.
Always is more better. Our Chinese big matter. make
Gabi
it
na
small,
guys.
Small matter,
Ayan,
make it
oh.
zero matter. If you see this bicycle, you will fall.
Oh, I don't know how to bike, uncle.
I know to ride.
I don't know.
I ride, When people ask me not to ride, I know. I can ride.
Uncle, I'm walking here
Okay,
already.
okay. Bye.
Okay?
See you.
Bye-bye. I'm walking here shortcut. I don't want to go far. Thank you, uncle. Ayoko nang sumama doon sa kanya. Doon sa malayo. Sa may ESO. Napagod ako eh. Mag-walking din ako sa pinanggalingan ko. Pero, stay muna ako dito kasi napagod ako talaga guys. Oh my God. Layo ng pinagano doon. Tapos, ayan. Ikutan ko kayo guys. Ayan. Doon naman siya tumuloy. Doon sa may ESO. Sa pinagdadaanan ko na nagmamarket. And stay muna ako dito magpahinga ng konti. At napagod ako. So ayan guys. End ko muna dito. Bye-bye.